Hello everyone, welcome back. Guys, in today's video, we are gonna build AI chatbot to get the real-time cryptocurrency market data. To build this AI chatbot, we are gonna use Gemini AI and CoinGecko API for getting the real-time cryptocurrency market data. So let's check the demo. Guys, here you can see my application is running on localhost, and here you can see this is the deploy link. I have deployed this on Vercel. So let's check in localhost. Here you can ask crypto market data related any question like what is the current price of Bitcoin, then what is the market cap rank of Ethereum, what is the total supply of Ethereum, like this. So let's ask him. Let's ask first what is the current price of Bitcoin. And there you go, fetching data. So guys, it will take some time to fetch data from the server, and there you go. The current price of Bitcoin is this. Now, if I want to ask current price of Ethereum, let's ask him, what is the current price of Ethereum? Guys, not just current price, you can ask, you can tell like what is the value, okay? What is the value of Ethereum? Still it will able to understand like what is the user, okay, what is the value of Ethereum. Let me ask again, what is the value of Ethereum? And let's wait. Okay, let's ask him what is the current value of Bitcoin. Okay, let's see. You can see the current value of Bitcoin is this much dollar. And what is the current value of Ethereum? The current value of Ethereum is, the current price of Ethereum is, here I have asked what is the current value, and here it's giving me what is the current price of Ethereum. So that means guys, it is able to understand that value and price is same. Okay, or now guys, not only price, but you can ask him market cap rank, market cap, then total supply, total volume, like this question as well. So let's ask him what is the, or maybe we can say just like market cap rank of Bitcoin. And let's see what is the answer. The market cap rank of Bitcoin is 1. So guys, you can see I don't need to scroll down when a new answer is coming. So we have set that ref as well in our Next.js application. Okay, I will teach you how you can set that. Now let's ask him like market cap, what is the market cap of Ethereum. And fetching data, let's wait. The market cap of Ethereum is this. Okay, so guys, it will able to give us cryptocurrency market data, real-time cryptocurrency market data. Okay, and yeah, this is the demo, and let's check what are the technologies we are going to use. So as I told you, we are going to use Next.js for the front end and Spring Boot as a backend. Also guys, we are going to use Gemini API and CoinGecko API as well, and all the steps to build this real-time crypto market detail I have provide here. So during this video, we'll follow this step to build our AI chatbot. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, now it's time to set up our environment for project. So here you can see all the steps we need to follow. Our first step is get Gemini API key. So let's search for Gemini API key. Let's visit this first website, and there you go. Here you can see get API key in Google AI Studio. So let's click here. After that, from here you can see I have already one API key, but if you don't have, if you are visiting this website first time, you can create new API key from this button. So let's click here, and okay, from here you can choose your existing project, whatever you have. Okay, so let's select this general language client and create API key in existing project. Okay, and it will generate API key for you. So let's copy this API key now, and let's close it. Let's go to our notepad and write here Gemini API key. Okay, our API key is ready, so let's paste it over here, and let me make it slightly bigger. All right, now let's go to CoinGecko website. Let's search here CoinGecko API. Let's click here, get your API key. Okay, click on get your API key now. And guys, here you can see the demo beta version. We are gonna use this demo beta version because it's totally free. You know, don't need to pay for this. So let's explore the docs. Yeah, it is redirect us to API documents. Now let's go to developer dashboard. From here you can copy your API key. So let me copy it, and let's give here CoinGecko API. Okay, so our first step is ready. We have get the Gemini API key, and we have collect the CoinGecko API as well. Now it's time to create new Spring Boot project. So let's go to Spring Initializer. Let's go to Spring Initializer, and choose Java Maven, then 3.342. Let's give here group Josh, artifact ID. Let's give here chatbot, name also let it be chatbot. Description, let's give here real-time crypto market data chatbot, whatever. And let's remove this because we don't need it. Now we need to add some dependencies. First let's add Spring Boot Dev Tool, then add Logbook, Spring Web. Here you can see Spring Web. Then let's add MySQL driver. Let's add Spring Data JPA. Okay, and I guess that's enough. Okay, if we need anything else, we'll add it later. Now let's generate it. Okay, let me go to my YouTube project, and let's save here chatbot. Let's go to directory. Okay, and let's extract it. Now let's open it with our IntelliJ IDEA. And let's trust the project. Guys, if you don't have IntelliJ IDEA, you can install it. Okay, and Maven build script found. Let's load it. Okay, now since we have used Spring Data JPA, we need to provide the let me search here, Spring Data JPA class. My SQL driver class. Okay, we need to provide MySQL driver class. So let's go to this first website. Scroll down. Here you can see the driver class. Okay, so let's copy it and let's go to our property.application file. Inside resources, application.properties file, sorry. And let's provide here our endpoint, port. So server.port 5454. Okay, here we need to provide the database and here our username. So our username is root and my password is $7090 asok. This is my password. Okay, you need to provide yours. All right, now let's create our database. Okay, let's provide here first my password. Let me log in it. 7090. So now let's create database and database name is chatbot, crypto chatbot. Let's give it crypto chatbot. Is it fine? I guess. And we need to write like this: create database, create crypto chatbot. All right, and it has given us error because we need to write crypto chatbot like this. Still it is okay. Spelling mistake here. You can see it should be database. All right, now it should be fine. You can see query okay, one row affected. That means our database is created. Now let's copy this database name and provide it here. Now we can run our application. Okay, so our first step is we need to create home controller for this so that we can state our application is running fine. So let's go to Java. Inside JOS, let me create new package called controller. Okay, and let's click on new Java. Let's click here let's write here home controller. Let's annotate it with REST controller. Public response entity. Let's write here response entity. And let's give here home controller. Okay, that's it. Let's return here null for now, and let's create, guys, one API response as well. So what I'm gonna do is I will create here new one package and I'll write here response. and let's give it name API response. Okay, only one string is enough, I guess, or one field is enough. String message. Let's make it private. Okay, and let's annotate it with data since we are using long book. Let's provide your API response. Okay, now let's create your new API response. And instead of hello world, let's give here welcome to AI chatbot. And let's return new response entity. Okay, let's give response and let's give HTTP status. Okay. Okay, all right. Is there any spelling mistake? What is it? Method home controller is never used. Okay, let's annotate it with get mapping. Now it should be fine. Now what is this error? Make method constructor. Oh, so home controller handler. Let's give it, or maybe let's give just home. All right, now it's fine. And let's go to here, and it's time to check our endpoint. So let's run here localhost 5454. Okay. Let's rerun it again, and there you go. You can see here message welcome to AI chatbot. All right, so our first endpoint is ready. Now our second endpoint is let's check in docs. Okay, make home controller. So we have successfully make our home controller. Now get fetch crypto market data through the API. That means CoinGecko API. So now it's time to get data from the CoinGecko API. So let's go to docs. Where is docs? Where it is? Here you can see. And inside coin, or maybe market data we have. No, let's go to coin. It will provide the market data. Okay, not here. What is inside? Simple. Let's check. Coin price by ID, coin price by token. We don't need it. We need the market data. So coin data by ID. What is it? Let's check. This endpoint allows you to query all the coin data of coin name, price, market, including access checker, and all right, let's see. Symbol name, slug, market data. Is it fine for us? Let's see. Copy, and let's give here Bitcoin. Error message, API key is missing, so let's give it API key as well. Where I need to give the API key. Okay, let's change the version. It's public. And now let's go to coin and coin list with market data. We don't need coin list, coin data by ID. That is what I want. Okay, so let's copy it again. Here we are using version 3, and here which version we are using? Both are Pro. Why? Okay, let me copy this. All right, let's give here Bitcoin, and there you go. We have the data like ID, symbol, name. Okay, and inside market, if I go to where it is, market, here you can see market data. Okay, this. One more thing, guys, I'm gonna do is let me open my other browser. And I'm gonna check here, because guys, here I have a extension that can make our data structured. So let's see, let's wait. Okay, yeah, now it is better. I can minimize this localization, category as well, and description as well. Let me minimize this link, images, and here you can see the market data, current price, then total volume, total value, auth, then percentage, also date, alt, then change percentage, alt, change percentage, date, then market cap also. All right, so all the fields, guys, which we need is here, total volume as well. So all right, that's good. Now let's use this API key in our backend to fetch the data. Okay, so let's go to package and create new service class. Chatbot service. Here, guys, we need only 3 endpoints. So let's first is API response, get coin detail. And let's provide your string. Okay, let's make it interface. All right, so guys, this endpoint will return the API response. That means whatever query asked by the user. So let's say user have asked what is the current value of Bitcoin, so it will return that current value of Bitcoin is this. Okay, so that kind of API response it will return, and this is from the AI chatbot. This response will come from AI chatbot. All right, now let's write our second and simple chat string, and let's write your prompt. Here also you can give the prompt as well instead of coin name, but let it be. Or maybe let's write here a prompt, okay, instead of coin name, coin details. Okay, now what I'm going to do is let's write the implementation for this. So, where I have written this outside, let me create one package first, service, and let me put inside it. Yeah, let's refactor it. Okay, let's fix this. Now let's write here implementation. So chatbot service IMPL, that means implementation of chatbot service. Let's implement it with chatbot service. Okay, now we need to add here unimplemented method, so let's add it. Let's click on OK, and let's annotate with service since it is our service class. Service class. Okay, great. Now let's write the method for fetching data from CoinGecko API. So here we need one more method. Let's write it public. It will return. Okay, we need the CoinDTO as well for this. So what I'm going to do is first let me comment it out. Let's create one DTO class inside model or maybe DTO. CoinDTO. Okay, let's give it name CoinDTO and let's annotate with data. Okay, let's write here CoinDTO with all the required fields. So private string ID, private string name, private string symbol, private string image, private double current price, private double market cap. Okay, then market cap rank. So private double market cap rank, then private double total volume, let's give here high 24, high in 24 hours. Okay, and let's give low in 24 hours, then price change in 24 hour. So private double price change 24 hour. This h should be in small. Okay, then price double private double price change percentage 24 hour, price change percentage 24 hour. All right, then market cap change 24 hour, market cap change 24 hour. All right, market cap change percentage 24 hour, market cap change percentage 24-hour. Then circulating supply. So private double circulating supply, then private double total supply. Okay, it's a total supply. So guys, all this field you will get from the CoinGecko API. Actually now it's long. Okay, so let's give long auth. Okay, all the details you will get from the coin details, coin market data. Actually private long auth change percentage, private date alt. Let's import this date from Java util, and let's write now all change percentage, alt change percentage. Okay, then alt date, private date alt. This is actually auth date. Okay, and now last updated. Let's give private data, sorry, private date last updated. Okay, all this field data guys will get from this API data. Here you can see market cap rank, and then market cap or also total volume. We have skipped that because we don't need. Then height 24-hour. Okay, some of the fields guys I have skipped, but if you want you can include that as well. Okay, price change 24-hour and price change percentage 24-hour. All the fields data guys you will get from here, and whatever you want to add you can add. I have skipped some of them because I don't feel that we need in our project that, so that's why. Okay, now let's go to our chat service implementation, and let's continue to writing this method. It's gonna return coin TTO. Make API request, or maybe we can call it get fetch market data, fetch crypto market data. Let's give you a string currency name. Okay, for which currency do you want to fetch the data? Let's return here null by default, and we need here URL. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is let's copy this URL. All right. Now we need REST template for making API request, making HTTP API request. So let's bring here REST template. All right. Now let's define here header. Why this new header is coming like this? Header Java net HTTP headers. That is fine. What it says, private access and HTTP headers. Headers equal to new headers. Okay. Okay, now let's define entity. So HTTP entity string entity new HTTP entity string and headers. Here no need to give string, directly you can give here like this. Okay, let's give here parameter. Because we don't have, guys, body inside get method, we can remove as well. So let me remove it. But if you have body, means if you want to make post request, then you need to pass here body. Okay. Now let's use a response entity. Okay, and let's use your map response entity equal to rest template dot get for entity. Here you can use get for object, get for entity. Yeah, but get for entity is most popular, so we are going to use this get for entity. And URL map dot class. Let's import this map from java.util. Okay, I can minimize it. Yeah. All right. Now here I will check if response body not equal to null. Then what I need to do? Let's give you a response body. If response body not equal to null, then what I need to do is just collect all the field data for CoinGecko. So let's do this. Map string object. We need to import this object and java lang image equal to map. Okay, key is string and value is object. So let's give here object. Response body dot get images. Sorry, get image. What I have made a mistake here. Let me check. Okay, it should be like this. Response body dot get. So response body is object. Okay, key is string and value is object. So dot get image value I am getting here. but why it's giving this not equal to null, then I should do this. Get method is not working. Why? Arrays template dot get for entity URL map dot class, so it is fine. I guess we have a response body dot get body, then it will work. Okay, so let's fix this. It is a response entity. Now let's define here a response body as well. So map key is string and value is object. Response body equal to response entity dot get body. Now here I can use response body. Okay, that is fine now. All right, so this thing this thing, guys, we need to do for all the fields. So let me do it quickly. Now it is for market data. So let's write here market data. Market data, and let's give here market data. Market data. Okay, CoinGecko. Let's define here CoinGecko. CoinGecko dot set IT. So it will be string response body dot get ID. Okay, that's how you can get it. Then set name response body dot get name. Okay, then get symbol as well. Then image. So CoinGecko dot set image. Image dot large here we need to give, guys. Why large? Let me show you that as well. So if I go to here inside the image, here you can see we have large inside that object. Okay, so that's why we are gonna use this. Okay, it is kind of boring to write all the fields, so let's see if I can write it by AI. Will it write for us? Maybe. Okay, let's finish quickly, I guess. Let's don't give this task to AI. Okay, guys, here we need to create one method for converting to double. Okay, so private double convert to, it will convert our field into double. So we'll provide here object value, and if value of instance is integer. Okay, if it is integer, then return double dot value, or maybe let's write like integer value dot double. Okay, that's how we can convert integer to double. Now what if we have long? So if we have long, then also we need to convert into double. So let's do this. Else if it is long, okay, instance is long, then let's return in double. Okay, now if it is double, then return just simple double, no need to do anything. So okay, all right, else let's throw the exception. Illegal argument exception. Okay, so illegal argument exception, unsupported data type. Also I want to know for which field it is returning this error or throwing this error. So for knowing that, I can write here value dot get class dot get name. All right, that's it. Now just like this field, guys, we need to set current price. Okay, so now all this data like current price, total value, market change, market cap, then set high, low high 24, all this will come from the market data. Okay, so let's set here, what is it, let's give here market data. Okay, CoinGecko dot set current price. First thing is current price. Okay, so we need to convert into double. Let's give here map string and object. Okay, and let's give here market data. We have defined here market data, right? Market data, yeah, dot get. Inside market data there is a current price, so let's get it. Current, actually price, current price, like this. And inside this we have one more object. From this let's get USD price. Okay, you can get inner as well, guys. Okay, and if your country support other currency, you can get those as well. Let me show you once. So where is our market data? Here you can see market data object. Okay, and inside this we have current price object, and from it I have grabbed the USD. Here you will find the USD. There you go, there is USD. Okay, there will be lots of currency, guys. You can access it inner as well. You can see where inner, here is the inner. Okay, yeah, so according to your country, guys, you can grab the price, but USD is a global price, so let's get here USD price instead of inner. But yeah, guys, if you want in inner, you can grab an inner as well. Now what I'm going to do is I will copy this, and instead of set price, I will write here set market cap. Set market cap, and here I need to provide the market cap. Market cap, and USD will be as it is. Okay, now market cap rank. So let's set market cap rank. Let me copy this. Set market cap rank. Okay, and here also let's give market cap rank. Market cap rank. Okay, we can give it like this as well. All right, then let's give total volume. Set total volume, and let's give here total volume. Total volume. All right, then let's set high 24 hours. High 24 hour. Here I need to provide the high 24. High 24. Okay, then low 24. Let's set for low 24. Let's give here low 24. And then price change 24 hour. Let's give price change 24 hour. Price change 24 hour. So price then change at 24 hour. One more thing guys, make sure whatever field here you are giving, it should match with this field. Okay, here you can see price change 24 hour and all this. So guys, if your field are not match with this, then it will throw the error. Okay, so yeah, that thing you need to consider. Okay, then price change percentage 24 hour. Okay, now let's give here percentage. Price change percentage 24 hour. Let's make it .get here. Okay, then market cap change 24 hour. Let's set market cap change 24 hour. Market cap change 24 hour, and here also we need to change market cap change 24 hour. Okay, now market cap change percentage 24 hour. So let me remove it. Market cap change percentage 24 hour. Change and percentage. Okay, 24 hour. That is fine. Now circulating supply and total supply. So let's set here circulating supply. Okay, let's give here circulating supply. And let's set here total supply. All right, but inside total supply there will be no USD, so we can remove it. Let's remove this. Okay, and inside circulating also we need to remove this. Also let's remove in the market cap change as well. Market cap change 24-hour and market cap change percentage both. And let's change in price change as well. Okay, because it is in sub percentage, we don't need here USD, and here also we don't need price change. All right. Okay, so our data is ready now. We can return here CoinGecko, new CoinGecko. We have CoinGecko, right? Oh, if not null, then okay, let's return inside this if condition. Return CoinGecko, and we can throw here exception. Coin not found. All right, great. Now let's go to get coin details and call that here. Let it be null. CoinGecko equal to make API requests. Let's give here prompt. It will throw an exception. Okay, and let's return here CoinGecko. What is it? Oh, we need to return here API response. Okay guys, let it be. What I'm gonna do is I will just print out here. Okay, system dot system.out.println. CoinGecko. Okay, instead of this, let's give it here plus. Okay, and let's make the and controller for this get coin details. So let's go to, oh, we need to create new controller. Okay, let's create it. Okay, let's give chatbot controller, REST controller. Let's give request mapping. Our endpoint will start from chat. Maybe let's give here AI chat. Okay, AI chat, and private, let me public response entity. Let's return here API response, and get coin details. Return new response entity. HTTP status. Okay. Let's give here message. It's working. Okay. Alright, now let's annotate it with post mapping, because we need to give here a prompt, right? So let's annotate with post mapping, and we are gonna take here request body. So inside request body, let's create one prompt body, or maybe just okay prompt. Let's give just prompt. Annotate it with data, and inside this let's give a string public string prompt. That's it. Maybe I should give here prompt body. Okay, let's refactor it. So rename the file. Okay, that's it. Let's go to here prompt body. Okay, and let's give prompt. Let's give here prompt dot get prompt. All right, now it's time to check our endpoint. So let's check. Let's go to here. Let me minimize it. Let's go to here. Okay, our code is updated. Oh, for making a post request, we need the postman, right? So let's open the postman. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait to start our postman, and it started. Let me create here new blank collection. Let's give it name chatbot. Crypto chatbot. Let's add one request here inside this. Coin details. Okay. Why localhost not giving me? Oh, I have this. But what's the mean of it? Okay, instead of this, let's give here AI, then chat. Yeah, I guess that's it. AI, then chat, and inside body, let's make it post method. a row, and let's give your prompt. What is the current value of Bitcoin? What is the current value of Bitcoin? Okay. All right. Here, guys, we need to invoke that method in which we are getting the crypto market data. So actually chat service is chat service. It should be chat service, not IMPL. Chatbot service. What is chatbot? Let's add the constructor here. Okay. Chatbot service dot get coin details, and here let's give the prompt. So prompt dot get prompts, and let's throw the exception as well. Okay. Let's update our project. Okay, it's updated. Okay, now let's hit the endpoint. This time it will take time because oh, it is thrown an error. What is it? Let's go and check. Yeah, so class name Java integer cannot be cast card cannot be cast to class Java util map, something like that. Bootstrap java.lang.integer cannot be cast. So where I'm trying to casting it, let's see. Name ID large. Okay, let's comment it out, guys, for now. Okay, and let's hit the endpoint. It is updated. Yeah, it's now updated. Oh, this time it works. And let's see if we have get the data. Oh, of course we have get the data. You can see name Bitcoin, ID Bitcoin, then symbol BTC. Also we have get the image, but current price is null. Okay, let's fix this first. Set current price convert to double. Market data dot get current price dot get USD. We have made a mistake here because it's dot get USD will come market data dot get current price. Okay, map string, then market dot get market data dot get current price dot get USD. What is it? Is it fine? Let's check. Yeah, this is also fine. You can see now current price. So maybe problem with the market cap is, I guess, fine. So let me comment it out. Market cap. Guys, most important thing is to check the spell. Okay, we don't want to make the spell mistake. If you have made a spell mistake, it will cause the issue. And of course, guys, here the get USD will not come. Okay, so this mistake I have made, so let's finish it. Then what about total volume? Yeah, then convert low is also fine. Okay, let me comment it out all this. Okay, low and high have a USD. Total volume has also have a USD, right? Okay, but this market cap rank don't have a USD field. So let me show you that. Here you can see market cap rank. Okay, it's not an object, so we can't cascade it. Alright, then we need to fix this. So let's go to here. What is it? Market cap. Yeah, it will be the integer, not an object. So let me write here integer. Market cap. Okay, that is fine. Now this price change 24 hour. Let's remove here as well. Because these are not object. Okay guys, I have made a mistake here, so we need to remove it in all these fields. Okay, now I guess it will be fine. Let's check it once. So it's updating. Okay, it's updated. Let's see now. Oh, still somewhere I have made a mistake. Okay, is null. But where? Market data. So this is fine. Total volume high 24 and low 24. So it should be 24 hour. Okay. We can remove it as well. Okay, now let's check once. Now what is value? Because value is null. Still guys, there will be some spelling mistake, but where? Let's see. Price change percentage 24 hour. Yeah, it will become hour. Okay, here also will become hour, and here also. Then this one is alright. Now let's check. So guys, as I told you before that all the fields should match with this, else it's gonna cause the error. Okay, but yeah, now let's find out. Oh, this time it is work well. So let me go down, and you can see current price, market cap rank, total volume, high 24 hour, low 24 hour. All the fields are working perfect. Okay, so yeah guys, now since we have get the data from API, now it's time to integrate AI, that means Gemini API, in our project. Alright, so let me minimize it, and first let's finish the simple chat. What is simple chat? So guys, a simple chat is that you can ask whatever question to it, just like Gemini, like do 5 into 10, then what is the capital of India, something like that. Okay, so yeah, first let's finish that thing, simple chat. Okay, here we need the Gemini API. So let's define here Gemini API URL. Okay, alright, here we'll provide our Gemini API, don't worry, we'll provide it. First let's guys, we need to do some for this, same for the API CoinGecko fetching method. Like we need to create first header, then inside header let's set the content. Set content type. So let's give here media type dot application. dot json, actually underscore json. Okay, now let's make the request body hosting request body. Since it is a post method, we need to provide here body. Okay, in get method we don't need to provide, so let's use here json object, json object. Guys, give me just 1 minute to check. Okay, json object. So let's comment it out for now, and let's go to our application dot actually YAML file, pom.xml file, and from here you can add new dependency. So let's add JSON dependency. What should I call it? Okay, guys, give me just 1 minute to check which dependency we can use here for JSON object. Let's ask ChatGPT, what are the JSON which is the best JSON object dependency I can use in Spring Boot Maven. Or JSON. For handling JSON object in the Spring Boot application using Maven, most commonly use dependency authority, which is provide a straightforward API for JSON data. Another popular choice is JSON. Okay, let's not use JSON. Instead of this, let's use the JSON. org, no, it's not providing, so let's cancel it. Go to below here, let's remove the version because we don't need it. Let's reload the project, and what is it? It goes the error. Cannot resolve org JSON. What about JSON path? Maybe. What about JSON path? Okay guys, here also let's use this JSON path. If you need to perform query and manipulation JSON data, JSON path is a great library for that, to extract specific. All right, let's use this JSON path, guys. Let me minimize it. Let's remove this and add JSON, and let's remove the version because it will automatically use the latest version. Okay, now let's go to implementation. Let's minimize it. Okay, JSON object Jackson. Will it work, or maybe let's check. Contents new JSON array. Still it's not working. So which dependency should I use? Okay, let me remove this section. JSON path. JSON object. Mini dev. What is mini dev? JSON no, we don't need this. Okay, let's go to again. Why this dependency is not found? org.json Jackson data bind. org.json Maven. Let's search for org. Okay, let's copy this. Let's provide it here. What is it? Alright guys, I guess now it should be work, so let's check. Oh, JSON object. If I do this. Yeah, now I guess it will work. So let's uncomment this. It has JSON array as well. Okay. Inside this, we need to provide one new object, JSON object. Okay. Let's give here parts, new JSON array. Okay, inside that we need to provide one more. Give me just 1 minute. Okay, inside put, let's provide new JSON object. And then finally let's provide our text, that is nothing but prompt. Okay, and let's convert into string. Okay, so guys, this thing from where you can refer, so let me go to browser and show you that as well in Google Docs. I mean Gemini API docs. So let's go to docs and quick start. Okay, it is not here, so let me go to function calling. Let's go down. Not this one. I guess there will be one API for there will be one URL where we can check our API key. So let's go to here, get API key and quick start. Keep your API key secure. There you go. Here you can see, guys. See, contents in inside contents we need to take one array. Inside that, role, user, and path this text. So I guess I forgot to this role. Okay, we need to provide the role as well, maybe, or without role it will work. Will it work? I guess. Okay, let's start. So now let's make the request, HTTP request. So HTTP entity, here we need to give a string, then request entity, or maybe HTTP entity, response entity. A response entity equal to new HTTP entity. Here let's provide the body, so request body, and second is headers. That's all. Now let's use here REST templates, response entity, string, response equal to response template dot, it's not a response entity, it's a request input, request entity, right? Yeah, now let's rest template dot post method, post for entity. Okay, first is we need to provide URL, so Gemini API URL. Second is request entity. Third is string dot class. Okay, now let's return here response body, so it is nothing but response dot get body. Okay, it will be the string, guys. Now let's finish our simple chat controller. So let me copy this, paste it over here, chat simple, and or maybe simple or general chat we can give it, but let's give it simple chat handler. Okay, we don't need to call it here, just call chat service dot simple chat, and let's give here prompt. That's it. It will return a string, so response prompt dot get prompt. All right, now guys, we need to convert this string to, or maybe directly also we can return this string without converting it. So let's do this thing. Let's return your string. Okay, and let's make the separate endpoint for this. So guys, this is a simple chat endpoint we have made for checking that our API key for Gemini is working perfectly fine. Okay, then we'll dive into function calling functionality. Okay, what is function calling functionality? Wow, it's funny. Function calling functionality. Don't worry, I will make you understand. Simple post. First, let's check that our Gemini setup is working perfectly fine. Let's go to body, row, prompt. Let's give what is the capital of India. Let's see what we get. We get error. What is it? Let's check what is it. Class not found exception. org.json JSON object. Why this class is not found? Okay, let me once stop and rerun it, because we have added the new dependency. Maybe that's why it's causing the issue, but let's see. Let's find out it. URI is not absolute. URI is not absolute. Which URI? Which URI are you talking about? Let me. Oh, okay. Here you can see we haven't provided the Gemini URI. So let's provide the Gemini URI. API key. Okay, this one. Let's copy that thing. Copy. Go to here. Paste it over here. And here, guys, I need to provide the API key. So what I'm gonna do is, let's give here Gemini API key. Okay, let's provide Gemini API key. It will be the string. So there you go. We have Gemini API key. Let's copy it. That's it. And let's add here Gemini API key. Okay, now it should work perfectly. Okay, let's check now. Oh great, you can see here it's a New Delhi. Let's hit it again. This time it should. Oh, still it's why it's giving a short response. Okay, let's write here. Tell me about India. Okay, this is also working fine, guys. Now let's go to our docs. So guys, in the first step, we have grabbed the API keys from Gemini and for CoinGecko API as well. Second thing, we have created our Spring Boot project. Then we have make home controller, and we have fetched the crypto market data from CoinGecko API as well. And then we have make a simple chat endpoint. That is nothing but this one, like tell me about India. Guys, here you can ask anything you want, like at 9 into 11. Now see the response. Okay, it will take some time, and see 9 plus 11, it's 20. So this is the simple chat endpoint we have made. And then make chatbot for getting real time. So guys, till that we have done. Now it's time to add main functionality to our project. That is nothing but make chatbot for getting real time data. So if we ask him, it should give the real time cryptocurrency data. So let me ask him, like, what is the current value of Bitcoin. So it will not able to give the answer, guys, of course, because it has a data something like 2023. Yeah, it has only data till January 19 2023. Okay, and our current date is 10/8/2024. So yeah, guys, it doesn't have the current data of Bitcoin Gemini, right? So now we need to make it possible. So how we are gonna do this is by making this endpoint. So for that, guys, we need to use function calling features. So let's go to Gemini API and explore what is the function calling. So here you can see API, then quick start. Okay, inside the quick start you can you may have let me yeah, like this text generation. So currently we have built this text generation, then vision, audio, context, long context, code execution, JSON, all these feature, guys, you have, but here I'm not able to see the function calling. So let's go to down, and here you can see the capabilities. Inside capabilities you find the function calling. Let's click on that, and intro function calling. Okay, and see intro function calling with the Gemini API. So custom function can be defined and provided to Gemini model using the function calling feature. The model do not directly invoke this function, but instead generate structured data output. The specifies the function name and suggested arguments. This output lets you write application that takes structured output and call internal APIs, external APIs, actually not internal, external APIs. Okay, so guys, this is the most important thing. This function application that takes the structured output and call external APIs. So whenever we give the query or prompt to this AI chatbot that what is the current value of Bitcoin, what Gemini API will do is it will first collect some keyword from it. So what which keyword it will collect? So current value, that means it's collect this current value in the one keyword. Second keyword it collects is Bitcoin. So yeah, then AI will know that yeah, I want to retrieve the current value from the Bitcoin. So if I write here what is the market cap of Ethereum, then it will collect like market cap, and second keyword will be the Ethereum. So it knows that user will asking market cap from the Ethereum object. Okay, so yeah, this thing first we need to make happen. So our first task is, guys, whenever user pass prompt or query, we need to retrieve the relative or important, or maybe we can say it related keyword from that prompt. Okay, so currently here is current value or maybe current price, something like that. So first thing we need to do, what user wants to ask, that keyword we need to extract from the prompt or query. So how we'll do it? Let's go to documentation and check. Singleton function calling example request. So let's see here. So here, guys, you can see in the role we need to pass user parts text, that means our prompt, which theater in Mountain View so Barbie movies. So guys, here if you can see which theater, so maybe theater is the one keyword, Mountain View is a keyword, and Barbie movie is one keyword. It will extract. And in the function declaration, in the tool function declaration, guys, here we need to find the function name, which will list all the movies. In our case, here we need to pass the function which can call CoinGecko API. okay, for getting the market data. Then here we need to pass the description, like what this function will do. So in our case, a function will fetch the market data from CoinGecko API. So just we need to write here like fetch market data, like current price, then market cap, market rank, total value, total supply, something like that we need to provide in the description. Then parameters, type will be object, location, inside location here guys also, okay, inside properties we need to pass some keywords like location and description. Here you can see, so what is location, and in our case maybe currency name or currency data. So what is currency name? Currency name is ID or symbol. What is currency data? So it is a market cap, current price, then total value, total supply, something like that. And inside required, what are the parameters as required? They those parameters we need to provide here, like currency name or currency data in our case. Okay, so yeah guys, I hope you have a basic understanding. Now let's implement this so that you can understand it in a better way. So let's go to our IntelliJ idea. Now let me minimize it. Okay, and let's go to my code and let me copy it. Don't worry guys, I will make you understand. I will explain in a better way. Don't worry about that, okay? It's a simple chat, okay? And here let's write the function call. Function call should be here, function response actually. Okay, so currency name, currency data, and set function name. All right, let's go up. Function response. So let's create function response. Let's go to here, inside response. Let's click on new class, function response. Guys, it's just a class, okay? It's just a class. Here we need some okay, I have made a spell mistake. Function, it should be function. Now let me rename the file. Okay, now let's write here public, maybe private, not public. It should be in a small case, okay? Currency name, function name, and currency data. That's it. So let's go to here, let's import it. And let's see what is the error. First let's guys fix this error, then we'll move to the next. JSON path. Read context. Okay, what is it? Response body text, JSON parse, response body ctx dot read candidate 0. read context. Okay, no worries. We can what we can do is what we can do here. Let's return it null by default, and let's print here response body. Okay, so it will be the string, but yeah. All right, now let's go to here. Which error it is? Oh, API key. It will be the Gemini API key actually. Okay. Get function response. Now let's call this function response here. Actually here. Function response equal to and here I need to provide the prompts. Okay, let me remove this currently. Alright guys, now let's understand this. So let me minimize it. Okay, our first thing is here you can see we have defined the Gemini API URL. Okay, this Gemini URL you can grab from it's okay, it's not in a beta version, so let's why it's beta version Gemini Pro. We should use the latest URL, so let's change the URL as well. Let's go to here. Oh, still it's in a beta. Okay, no problem, beta will also work. Model will be Gemini Pro. Okay, so guys, here you can from here you can grab the Gemini API URL. Okay, and you need to provide your API key as I told you. Now here a request body equal to JSON object inside context inside parts we need to provide the text nothing but prompts. So this thing you can see here inside context role user parts we need to provide the text nothing but prompts. Here you need to provide your prompts. Then tools, so we have provided here tools. See, put put tools. Okay, inside tool we have a function declaration. So this thing you can see here, function declaration. Okay, so tool is array. Inside array we have one more object, and that is nothing but function declaration. So you can say that is a JSON array. Inside that array we have one more object, and that is nothing but inside that object we need to provide function declaration object. Actually function declaration array, it's not a object, it is array. You can see carefully here, that is array. Okay, then function name. So here you can see our function name is getCoinDetails. Function name is getCoinDetails. Okay, then description about this function. So the description is nothing but get the coin details from given currency object. Okay, then parameters. What is our parameters? So inside parameters type will be object, properties. So what are the properties? Currency name, as I told you, for which currency do you want the data, so that currency name you need to provide. Then description. Okay, description is nothing but the currency name, ID, symbol, etc. Okay, then currency data. Currency data is also required. So what are the currency data? You can see here, type will be string, description, and currency data is this: ID, symbol, name, image, currency price, and all the fields which we have inside our CoinGecko. Okay, those I have put here. Okay, and dot put required. So currency name and currency data is required. All right, so this is our this is done. Now whatever query will give, it will grab either currency data field, either currency name. That means from symbol, ID, and name, it will grab the currency name and currency data. So yeah, now let's call it. Let's call. Actually, we need to make the endpoint for this. So let's go to chatbot controller, and instead of simple, we have this one, right? So let's go to coin details. Yeah, and let's invoke it. Yeah, it's taking time. And now let's go to here and let's see the console. Here you can see CoinGecko. Before CoinGecko, yeah, candidates, then content, parts, and function call. Okay, inside function call we have name of the function, get coin details. That means which function should call. So get coin details should call, and with which arguments. So current price and Bitcoin. See guys, it's a current price, but we have given here current value. Still is knows that it should not value, but instead of value it should current price. See, so that's how the AI will be smart. Now if I give here a market cap, of Ethereum, guys, if I give a wrong name, still I guess it will be able to capture the currency name and data. So that's it. Okay, let's go to here. Let's scroll down, and there you go. See, currency name is Ethereum. It's not that currency name is Ethereum, and currency data is ID, name, symbol, and market cap. Okay, that is good. So guys, it workings, right? It workings. So in the first step, we need to extract the currency name for identify, like which currency data do you want. So we have done that part. We are fetching the currency name and currency data, like which properties value do you want to access, ID, name, symbol, or market cap. Okay, so it's working, right? Now we need to extract. So what I'm gonna do, I will give it to, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I will make it from, yeah. So let's create new chat and let's ask. Okay, can you extract the currency name, currency data, and function name from above object and Spring Boot. Okay, let's search it. Actually, let's reload it. So why it is happening? Verifying or something. Please do it, please do it, please. Okay. All right, now don't know, but it's taking too much time. Okay, no problem, let's wait. And there you go. Okay guys, so see here, it has used the object mapper. Junction data bind. We don't have junction data bind, right? Still it is using that. So if we want to use this, then we need to add this dependency. Okay, let's ask him, can't you do this without using junction dependency? Okay, great. So let's copy this. And paste it out here. Let me minimize it. All right, let's give it a response body. Okay, and let's hit the API now. What is the market cap of Ethereum? And there you go. You can see the function name, get coin details, currency name Ethereum, and currency data. Oh, currency data is Ethereum. Why it is Ethereum? Okay, let it be. Let's remove this line. Let's create here function call, function response. So response equal to new function response. Response dot set. Okay, we need to add here getter setter method. So let's give it data since we are using long book, and set function name. So function name response dot set currency name response dot set currency data. All right. Okay, now let's return here a response, and function response equal to this. Let's give here function response. All right, now in the second stage, once we get the identifier of like which function should call which currency data you need, and what are the data you need, okay, what are the market data you need. After getting the identifier, we need to call this response function. So here guys, actually not this, it is the, what is it, singleton function calling your example okay, it is a response of that function. But now singleton function calling using any model singleton function calling any model and allow function requests, allow function response. Okay, this one. Now guys, we need to call this function. So it is similar to above function, just you can see this thing is similar, context, user, parts, and again we need to give the prompt again here. Then tool is also similar, like name of the function, then description, parameters, location and description, then required type, okay, and this other function as well, like find theater and all this. But here guys, we need to provide the response of the function as well. And where it is, let me check. Get show times, it is also function. That's how guys you can give the multiple function instead of one function. I guess it is for only multiple function guys, maybe, because here I'm not able to see the responses. Yeah, I guess that is only for multiple response. So that sorry, multiple function. That's how guys you can provide multiple function instead of one function. Okay, so let's go down and check where is the actual function which I am multi-turn example maybe. Okay, let's see. So here role model function find theater, yeah, this one, I guess this is the perfect. And inside tool, why it is providing again function show time. Okay, so role is function find theater. So it doesn't provide the movie data. Barbie theater. Okay, this one is multi-turn function calling, you are calling example request. So after that step guys, we need to call this function. So here you need to provide the role user parts text, again prompt you need to provide here. Then in the role model you need to provide the function name, okay, which function should be called, like find theaters, okay, arguments, then role function, and whatever function guys you have provided here, this function response will be here, like you can see the theater detail, okay, movie detail. So inside content you need to provide the data, response data. In our case we need to provide the crypto market data, which we have grabbed from the CoinGecko API. So that data we need to provide inside this content. Okay, so yeah, let's see this. Now what I'm gonna do is let's copy this from here. Don't worry guys, I will make you understand all this. So let's copy, let's go to here, and after this line, let's do it. API response. Okay, so instead of function response, let's give here, actually not here, yeah, CoinDTO. Let's provide here API response, make API a request. So let's give here API response. That means our coin market data. Okay, and let me quickly finish this as well. Response.get currency name. So let's give here just a response instead of function response. Okay guys, let me first finish this, fix this error, then I will make you understand. I will explain all this. So API key, right? Gemini API key. Gemini API key, okay, and this is our URL of Gemini API. Okay, so after defining the Gemini API URL, this is header. Inside header, set the media type application JSON, then body. Inside context, there will be role user, and inside parts we have one more object. Inside that object we have, actually inside parts we have a array. Inside that array we have one more object. Inside that object we have a text, that is nothing but our prompt. We need to provide here prompt, okay, which are coming from the front end user. Now here we need to provide the role model. Here guys, you can see role is user, but this role is model, okay. And inside parts you need to provide the JSON array. Inside that you need to provide how many function do you have. So currently we have only one function, that is nothing but get coin details. But if you have more functions like get order detail or get product detail, something like that, then you can provide here as you can provide that here, okay, inside that array. So yeah, here you can provide more object as well. But for now we have only one function, so that is we have provided inside parts. So get coin details, and our name of the function is, and argument is currency name and currency data. So guys, make sure that this get coin detail function name, and we have provided here also the function name where it is here, get coin details, that should match, okay. If it's not matched, then it will not work, so it should be match. All right, and arguments, here you can see currency name and currency data. So currency name is like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and currency data is market data like current price, market cap rank, all this thing. All right. Then guys, after this, you can see this is the JSON array inside context. First, we need to define this. Then need to provide the function role. Okay, role is function now. Here you can see role is function. Now inside the parts, what are the things you need to provide? Like function response. Now what is the function response? So function response is what we have get from the CoinGecko API, crypto market data. Okay, that crypto market data we need to provide here. From that market data, this Gemini API will collect the data for user based on prompt. Like if you have provided here Ethereum object with the market data, then it will collect the data according user prompt. If he has asked current value, market cap rank, maybe total value, total supply, something like that. Okay, so this thing you need to provide in the third phase. First phase you need to provide the prompt. In a second phase you need to declare the function or maybe describe your function, and in the third stage you need to provide the data, like go inside that data and grab the value which I want. So yeah guys, here you can see role is function, parts, inside parts JSON array, and put there will be function response, and name is get coin details. Okay, here you need to provide the get coin function name. So make sure that function name is match, and inside response we need to provide our data. Let's say if somebody is creating chatbot for their company detail, or maybe their for admin panel, like knowing the data, what are the customer in currently I have, which is my most active customer, and my which customer have purchased most product from my website, something like that. So those data in your database. Okay, first grab those data from your database, maybe using query. Okay, and then you need to provide the data here as a response inside content response. Okay, now finally in the third so this thing is done. Then finally inside the tool we need to describe our function again. So get details, get coin details. Then here you can see function declaration, name of that function is get coin details, and write the description about function, like what this function will do. So it get the cryptocurrency data from given currency object. This function will do this thing. Then parameters. Okay, inside parameters we have properties. Inside properties we have currency name. Okay, type of it string. Then we have description. So currency name, ID, and symbol inside description. Then currency data. So inside data we have like current price, images, market cap, etc. Okay, and these both are required, you can see here. And finally toString. So this is our request body is ready now. So here we need to provide the request. Okay, now it will make a call, and let's string, or let's give the response body equal to response.getBody, and let's print that thing. Okay, so finally guys, here we'll get our final response. We'll get our final response here. Okay, so let me do one thing. And let's go to here. And ask it. Let's ask what is the market cap of Ethereum? And let's see. The market cap of Ethereum is 1 point something like this. Yeah, that is correct. So now let's ask the current value of Bitcoin. What is the current value of Bitcoin? Let's ask it. The current value of Bitcoin is this. Great guys. Okay, so now our next step is grab this text from content. So what I'm gonna do is, let's give this content to AI and ask him to extract the value. Extract the text from this object. And let's admire it, like great work. Now extract the text value from this. Okay, it is taking time, and that's all. Here we have a text. So let's copy this. Let's go to here, minimize it, and let's give here response body. Okay, we need to create here API response. So API response dot set. Or maybe I have deleted or something. Let me check. Okay, I haven't created the API response. Let's create here API response. And let's give it answer equal to new API response. Response dot set message. Actually, answer dot set message. That is nothing but text. And let's return here answer. Now let's go to controller. And let me remove this. Or maybe let's do one thing. Let's directly return here. What is returning? It's returning. Okay, so we don't need to create this. Just do one thing. Provide it here. Okay, now it's done. Let's go to here, and now let's ask. Okay, what is the current value of Bitcoin? So let's see. Oh, the current value of Bitcoin is this. Now if I ask him what is the current value of Ethereum, okay, the current value of Ethereum is 61102. So guys, this data is coming from CoinGecko API. If you want to confirm it, let me confirm this as well. So let's go to here, and Yeah, let's write here Ethereum, or maybe let's go to here and yeah, let's write here Ethereum. Okay, let's go to market data. Market data and current price in USD. Okay, so in USD, here you can see Ethereum current price is 2637, and what we have get, the current value of Ethereum is 61102. Okay, let's ask current price. What is the current price of Ethereum? I guess I have made a mistake here. Current price. So Ethereum and USD. So Ethereum current price is this 2637. Okay, let's ask market cap rank. Market cap rank. Currency data is not a string. The market cap rank of Ethereum is 1, but it should be the Bitcoin. Okay, understand guys, what is the problem? So let's go to our chat service IMPL and get coin details. Not here, where we have make the API call. So make requests. So see guys, every time we are calling the only Bitcoin, so that's why it's causing the issue. But instead of Bitcoin, here we need to provide a currency name. Okay, so when we make API request, let's go to API requests. Instead of prompt, here we need to provide the let's do one thing. Response.get currency name. Okay, here you need to provide the get currency name. All right, now it will be fine. Okay, let's ask. So it should give 2. Oh, still it's returning the currency data is not a string. We have described our function currently here, like current price, image, market cap, etc. And one more thing we can define here, market cap rank. Okay, let's see now. Now maybe it should work. Coin not found. Ethereum. Coin not found. Let's see. Ethereum. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is two lowercase. Let's make it two lowercase. Where? Here. Currency name dot to lowercase. Okay. Because we are providing something like that, it's not able to call the CoinGecko API and give us the error. But this time it should work. Let's see. What is the market cap rank of Ethereum? The market cap rank of Ethereum is 2. And what about Bitcoin? What about Bitcoin? The market cap rank of Bitcoin is 1. It is correct, right? So if I can show you here, let me copy this, paste it over here. Instead of Ethereum, let me provide here Bitcoin. So not in description, not in link, not in image, market data. Here you can see market cap rank of Bitcoin is 1 and Ethereum has a market cap rank 2. Now let's check the current price. Current value of Ethereum. Okay, it will give us in USD dollar. So the current value of Ethereum is this 263896. So let's check in our API response as well. So Ethereum USD. Where is USD? There you go. See, 263731. It's 96. Okay, it's changed. 263837 maybe. Let's grab it again and check. Because it's a live data, so it may change over a time. See, now this 263896 which we have get here. Okay, so yeah guys, now our API is working perfectly fine. Now it's time to build our front end. Okay, then we'll connect our front end with the back end. So let's do this in the next video.